Hi, listeners. Welcome back to Kokachin channel. Learning English through stories. Now you're going to listen to an English short story. Then write in your comment. What is your suggestion the best title for the story? Let's start listening now.
68. Mary was a university student. She did not have very much money, and her parents were not rich, but she had an uncle who had been fortunate enough to collect great wealth. He had no children, and Mary was his favorite niece, so he always gave her valuable Christmas and birthday presents. When her Uncle George's birthday came round, Mary wanted to buy him something really special, but because he was so wealthy, she did not know what to get him. She went into the best shop in her town and explained what her problem was to one of the helpful young shop assistants. Finally, Mary said to her, "I suppose this isn't the first time anybody has come to you with this problem. What do you have for someone who's already got everything he wants or needs?" The girl sighed deeply and answered, "Envy. Only envy."
Find out the best title for the story.
If you find it good and useful for you, please subscribe, give comment, and share this link to others. Thank you.